In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card for email delivery, any store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select a brand, choose the right digital option, and send it straight to someone's inbox quickly and safely. Start by choosing the store you want, like a major retailer or your recipient's favorite brand. Once you've decided, go directly to the official website. This matters because buying on the official site helps you avoid third-party markups and ensures the code arrives securely. Look for the correct domain and the padlock icon in your browser to confirm you're in the right place. Next, find the e-gift card section. Most sites have a gift cards link at the top or bottom of the homepage. Click that, then choose the email or e-gift card option, not a physical card. An e-gift card is fully digital and delivered by email, so there's nothing to ship. Now select the amount. You'll usually see preset values like $5 to $500 and sometimes a custom amount. Pick what fits your budget and the occasion. Keep in mind that the amount is typically issued in the store's local currency, and some brands cap the maximum. When you're ready, add the e-gift card to your cart. You'll be asked for the email delivery details. Enter the recipient's email address carefully, add your name so they know who sent it, and include a short message if you like. This message appears in the delivery email and is a nice personal touch. Double-check the email spelling, because a typo can delay delivery. Set your delivery timing. Choose Send now if you want it to arrive right away, or schedule a future date for birthdays, holidays, or special events. Be mindful of time zones. Stores send based on their system clock or the scheduled date you pick. Proceed to checkout. Click Checkout, then either sign in or continue as a guest. Signing in can make it easier to track your order later, but it's not required. Review your cart to confirm the brand, amount, and email address before proceeding. Choose your payment method. Most stores accept credit or debit cards, PayPal, or a digital wallet. Enter your details, verify the total, and click Place Order. You should see a confirmation screen once payment goes through. Finally, the gift card is sent by email, usually instantly or within minutes. The recipient will receive a message with instructions to view or redeem the card. If they don't see it, suggest checking spam or promotions folders. You'll typically get a confirmation email as well. And that's it. Simple, fast, and delivered right to their inbox.